Okay guys, I'm going to install this Hyper Tough Quick Release 5-piece snap rail kit, and this is what I'm going to use to hang some tools in my garage so that I can straighten up my garage and get rid of some of this clutter. And so out of the box there's this rail, and it doesn't have the holes in it pre-drilled. So I had to go and I had to pre-drill those holes, and I had to mark the holes on the wall. It comes with 12 nails. 4 of them are for drywall and 8 of them are for wood stud. And then it has the little, these, you put them in drywall. So it comes with 4 of these little hanging tools that slide straight on there. Slide straight on in. Okay, and the instructions. So I'm gonna get right to it. This is a quick video just so you can determine if you might want one of these. My holes that I drilled, I measured it. I used a stud finder. See those little, I got 2. This is where I'm gonna put them. All right, it seems pretty sturdy. It came with these 4 hooks. And so I'm going to put my tools on there. So that's the Hyper Tough Quick Release 5-piece snap rail kit. And I got this at Walmart for about $20. And it came with this 5-piece set, the 4 rails and the wall mount. And by the way, I use the Hyper Tough drill. Also purchased at Walmart. Okay, here's the finished product. And I wanted to show you guys that Walmart has extra hooks that you can purchase for like $5 or something. I'm going to use to put up my ladder and different things. So you can use the ones in the box, or you can use some bigger tools. So I got work to do. I've got to hang up things on my hook, and I've got to clean this garage up. So thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.